Welcome to Curious Minds. I'm Prashanth, and together we explore how science and innovation quietly shape our everyday lives. Before we begin, a quick note. This episode is crafted with the assistance of artificial intelligence to ensure accuracy, smooth delivery, and an engaging sound. Today, we unravel a story hidden in plain sight, one that safeguards every journey we take on the road. Join me as we rewind the clock, meet unsung heroes, and glimpse the future of car safety. Because understanding how we protect life's most precious journeys matters to everyone. When we think of car safety, seat belts and airbags might come to mind. But behind them lies decades of science, design, and determination. A story that stretches from early experiments to today's intelligent machines. Imagine a 19th century mathematician, Augustin Cauchy. His work is like a pair of mathematical lenses, helping engineers predict rare and dangerous crashes that others might miss. Thanks to his insights, computers today can run thousands of crash simulations in hours, saving time and millions of dollars. But how did this journey begin? In the 1950s, crash testing was raw and unsettling. Engineers used live animals and even human remains to study impact. Ethical concerns soon brought change. By the 1970s, crash test dummies like Sierra Sam took center stage. In one of the earliest tests, a 1959 Chevy hit 40 miles an hour, and Sierra collected data that helped engineers design safer cars. Testing was expensive, more than $100,000 per test. But it laid the foundation for seatbelts and crumple zones, the unseen protectors in collisions. Yet these tests were few. Rare crashes like rollovers often went untested. And then came a new era. In the 1980s and 90s, dummies became smarter, and yes, no pun intended. They were fitted with sensors tracking how heads, chests, and limbs absorbed impact. Soon, safety agencies began rating cars with stars, giving consumers a clearer sense of protection. Airbags entered the scene and reduced fatalities by nearly 20%. But progress was slow and costly. Today, it's a blend of physical testing and digital modeling. Crash simulations now use virtual replicas made of millions of data points, recreating collisions with remarkable accuracy. Dummies like Thor carry over 150 sensors, capturing how every body type, young, old, tall, or small, moves in a crash. Artificial intelligence generates thousands of crash scenarios, reducing the need for physical tests. But simulations can still miss the unpredictable, like rain, debris, or human error. And that's where Cauchy's mathematics shines brightest. His equations reveal what statisticians call tail risks, the rare, catastrophic events most models overlook. This math helps engineers design for the unthinkable. In 2018, a truck spilled cargo on a California highway. A car hit the debris, and its side panel failed unexpectedly. A failure that Cauchy's method might have anticipated, leading to safer designs. This approach exposes hidden dangers, from faulty airbags to fragile materials, reinforcing trust in the machines that carry us. But beyond the math and machinery, what does this mean for us? For the people behind the wheel, it means better outcomes in real life. Improved headrests now reduce whiplash injuries. Star ratings from agencies like NHTSA guide buyers toward safer choices. Simulations save manufacturers millions while speeding up innovation. Companies like Ford, Toyota, and Tesla rely on these tools to design safer vehicles and prevent recalls before they happen. A key shift deserves mention. Early dummies represented only the average man. Today, digital twins, virtual human models of every age, size, and gender, ensure safety testing is finally inclusive. Because safety should protect everyone equally. That's the evolution, from crude experiments to intelligent design, from instinct to insight, from damage control to prevention. Cauchy's math, AI, and human determination now work together to turn crash lessons into life-saving innovation. Looking ahead, self-driving cars will build on these foundations, combining artificial intelligence with human oversight. Because technology should serve humanity, not the other way around. If you haven't already, check your car safety rating today at nhtsa.gov or euroncap.com. It takes a minute and it could guide your next car buying decision, maybe even save your life. Thank you for joining this journey on Curious Minds. Subscribe for more stories that connect innovation with impact. Stay curious, stay engaged. Because technology doesn't decide the future. It is shaped by our choices, conversations, and voices.